Namaste everyone. Welcome to Swar, the voice of jewelers, where we dive into the latest updates from the fashion, gems and jewelry industry. I'm Swara, the world's first AI anchor in the gems, jewelry and fashion industry by Swar Media Network. Meanwhile, as the markets and policies shape the backdrop, the jewelry world is glittering with fresh trends, innovations and breathtaking designs. Let's explore the latest trends, updates and insights with the Indian Gems and Jewelry News. Master Chains and Jewels has opened a new wholesale office at Mehta Mansion, Zaveri Bazar, marking a significant milestone in the company's growth and commitment to serving trade partners more efficiently. Injewel has unanimously elected Mr. Jignesh Shah as chairman and Mr. Praveen Vaidya as vice chairman, ushering in new leadership to drive growth, innovation and industry development for the organization. Preeti Zinta, Priyavrata Mafatlal and Samara Punjabi have launched Jakarti Jewelry, a fine jewelry brand blending traditional Polki craftsmanship with contemporary design for today's luxury consumer. GGEPC has backed the proposed jewelry park in Meerut, a strategic initiative aimed at strengthening manufacturing infrastructure, fostering skill development and accelerating growth across the region's jewelry ecosystem. Sri Ramakrishna Exports celebrated the 20th edition of the Santokba Humanitarian Award, recognizing individuals whose contributions have driven meaningful social change and community impact across India. Divine Solitaires is rapidly expanding its footprint in the UAE through strategic retail partnerships with Siroya Jewelers and Maha Al Sibai Jewelry. This move introduces a transparency-led natural diamond proposition to the growing regional luxury market. Tanishq has strengthened its footprint in central India with the opening of its fourth Nagpur showroom, reinforcing the brand's retail expansion strategy and deepening consumer engagement across the region. Malabar Gold and Diamonds has elevated its presence in North India through the revamped Chandigarh showroom, enhancing the customer experience while broadening access to its jewelry portfolio. Kalyan Jewellers has been named the official jewelry partner for the Marathi film Kab Bashi, strengthening its cultural connect through a collaboration with brand ambassador Pooja Sawant. Now speaking about the world of international gems and jewelry news. Basel will once again take center stage in the global jewelry and watch trade as the Basilia Jewelry and Watch Fair returns from 12th to the 15th of April 2027, attracting exhibitors and buyers from around the world. The Antwerp World Diamond Centre hosted the first international sale of traceable artisanal diamonds from the Democratic Republic of Congo, advancing transparency, ethical sourcing and market access for mining communities. New discoveries of copper-bearing Paraiba-type tourmalines in Ethiopia are attracting industry attention, positioning the country as an emerging source of the highly sought-after gemstone. The iconic Perle collection enters a vibrant new phase as Van Cleef & Arpels unveils jewelry creations that celebrate color, movement and the Maison's celebrated beaded design language. Thomas Sabo expands the Elentra universe with jewelry inspired by the freedom of open skies, flowing water and shifting light, brought to life through vibrant gemstones. Piaget has unveiled Colors of Extravaganza, the vibrant final chapter of its high jewelry trilogy, featuring 65 exceptional creations that celebrate color as a language, material and artistic expression, inspired by the Maison's rich heritage and bold design legacy. Bulgari has extended its digital passport technology to jewelry and watches, enabling customers to access product provenance, authenticity details and life cycle information through enhanced digital traceability. Buccellati has unveiled its Asia-Pacific flagship boutique in Bangkok, strengthening its presence in Southeast Asia through an expansive retail destination showcasing the Maison's Italian jewelry and silverware craftsmanship. Now, let's turn to the latest in Indian fashion news. The Ministry of Tribal Affairs and TriFed have partnered with leading designers, including Abujani Sandeep Khosla, Anju Modi, Manish Tripathi, Gaurav Jaygupta, and Samira Dalvi, under the RISA Timeless Tribal Initiative, transforming traditional tribal weaves and crafts into contemporary luxury offerings, while creating greater economic opportunities for artisan communities. Designer Masaba Gupta has become the first Indian designer to collaborate with Virat Kohli's One8 brand, launching a limited edition collection that blends contemporary fashion with everyday versatility. Tata Click Luxury is set to introduce premium activewear brand Lululemon to the Indian market through a strategic partnership, with the first stores expected to open in the second half of 2026, marking a significant expansion of the country's luxury and athleisure retail landscape. Reliance Brands has expanded designer label Ritu Kumar's retail presence with the launch of a new store in Mumbai, strengthening the brand's footprint in one of India's key fashion markets and offering consumers access to its signature blend of heritage craftsmanship and contemporary Indian fashion. OTT by Tarun Tahiliani has expanded its retail footprint with the launch of a flagship store in Delhi's Khan Market, bringing its signature India modern aesthetic and luxury Pret collections closer to fashion-conscious consumers seeking contemporary elegance rooted in Indian craftsmanship. Myntra Beauty has expanded its K-beauty portfolio with the launch of Korean brands Frankly and Seepuri in partnership with Kind Life, strengthening its international beauty offering and catering to growing demand for science-backed skincare and hair care solutions among Indian consumers. And lastly, the exciting international fashion news. Milan Men's Fashion Week concluded on June 23, 2026, after 5 days of runway shows and presentations unveiling the Spring-Summer 2027 menswear season. The event brought together some of Italy's most influential fashion houses, including Prada, Giorgio Armani, Dolce & Gabbana, Emporio Armani, and Brunello Cucinelli, alongside a diverse mix of international and emerging designers. The week highlighted evolving approaches to contemporary menswear, blending craftsmanship, innovation, and relaxed sophistication, while reaffirming Milan's position as a key destination on the global fashion calendar. Paris Men's Fashion Week concluded on June 28, 2026, after 6 days of runway shows and presentations that unveiled the Spring-Summer 2027 menswear season. The week brought together leading luxury houses including Saint Laurent, Louis Vuitton, Dior Men, Rick Owens, Issey Miyake, Yuji Yamamoto, Sacai, and Celine, alongside a dynamic roster of emerging designers. Among the standout moments were Jonathan Anderson's highly anticipated debut at Dior Men and Pharrell Williams' latest vision for Louis Vuitton, while more than 70 participating brands offered a glimpse into the future of contemporary menswear. Hermès has unveiled its new maison at 166 New Bond Street, London, spanning 6 historic buildings and 55 rooms. The flagship brings together all 16 métiers, dedicated jewelry and watch salons, and over 500 artworks, making it one of the brand's most significant global destinations. Coach has unveiled And Coach, a new brand platform co-created with Gen Z creators, cultural voices, and consumers, redefining luxury storytelling through participation, self-expression, and community-driven content. Givenchy has opened its first summer pop-up store in Saint-Tropez, bringing the Maison's luxury fashion universe to the French Riviera through an immersive seasonal retail experience. Fendi's latest campaign spotlights the iconic baguette bag, featuring a star-studded cast and reaffirming the accessory's lasting influence on fashion, culture, and luxury style. Estée Lauder has introduced an AI-powered fragrance tool on Pinterest, using users' visual preferences to deliver personalized scent recommendations and enhanced digital beauty discovery experiences. That's all for today. From the dazzling world of jewelry to the excitement of the glittering gem and jewelry shows, there's always something shining bright. Stay connected with Swar Media Network for more trends, insights, and updates from the world of gems, jewelry, and fashion. I am Swara, world's first AI anchor of the fashion, gems, and jewelry industry by Swar Media Network, signing off. Until then, swasth rahiye, mast rahiye, Shubh Ratri, Shaba Khair.